Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set special prices for mobile user in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we will set special prices for simple product or variable product using custom code. Now we are in WordPress dashboard. Scroll down on left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Now in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert, header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snipper, then you see add snipper, so click on it. Now you see add your custom code, so again click on it. So we are going to show different price for desktop user and different price for mobile user. Now create custom snipper section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snipper. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see label special price for mobile user. If you want you can add text according to your requirement. So we are going to show different price for desktop user and different price for mobile user. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code you can add different price for mobile user for simple product or variable product. Also in code you see text special offer for mobile user. So this text show on mobile screen for mobile user. If you want you can add your text according to your requirement. And then you see different code. And again you see special offer for mobile user. If you want you can add your text. Then scroll down you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snipper. Now snipper created and saved. Go to edit product and refresh the page. Now scroll down, we are in product data and then you see regular price. So this is our simple product, and then you see special price for mobile user. So you can add 5 and then click on update. Now product is updated. Open product in new tab. Now go to product page and then you see desktop price. Click on add to cart and then click on view cart. Now cart page open and scroll down you see subtotal 10.2 and then you see text and then you see total price 12.24. So this price show for desktop user. Now remove product from cart page again. Now back to product. Now simple product open again. So now we are going to check price for mobile user. So I already installed mobile simulator Google Chrome extension. So right click on it and then you see activate mobile view on this page. So click on it. Now mobile view open and scroll down you see product and then you see price $5. Special offer for mobile user. You see $5 and for desktop user price show 10.2. Now back to mobile view and then click on add to cart. Now click on view cart. Now cart page open and then you see message you have one item in your cart, product price 10, quantity 1, and then you see cart total subtotal 5, tax $1, total 6, and then click on proceed to checkout. Now checkout page open and then click on review and payment. Now you see subtotal 5 and tax 1, total 6. Now you see. So by using code we are showing different price for mobile user and different price for desktop user. So this is for simple product. Now go to variable product. So this is our variable product. Now click on edit product. Now edit product open and scroll down. You see this is our variable product and then you see variation. So click on it. Now you see different variation value, large, medium, small, extra small. Now expand it and then you see regular price 12, and then you see special price for mobile user for variable product like 6. Now add value for another variation. So total we have 4 variation. Now 6. So again add 6 for special price for mobile user for variation product. Now extra small. Now add again 6. Now click on update. Now product is updated. Open product in new tab. Now you see $12 for desktop price for variable product. Now select variation and then click on add to cart. Product has been added to your cart and then click on view cart. Now you see variable product price is 12 for desktop user, and then you see cart total, subtotal. So no special price for desktop user. Now remove product from cart and then open product in mobile view. Now remove. Now cart is empty. Go to product page and refresh the page. Now again right click and then you see activate the mobile view on this page. So click on it. Now variable product is open in mobile view. Now scroll down, you see special offer for mobile user $6. Now select variation and then click on add to cart. Now product has been added to your cart, so click on view cart. Now cart page open and then you see we have one item in cart. Now you see product price $6, quantity 1, and then you see subtotal 6, and then click on proceed to checkout. Now checkout page open and scroll down, click on review and payment tab. So click on it and then scroll down, you see subtotal price 12, but price for mobile user is 6. Now you see subtotal 6, total 6. So you can select any payment gateway. Now select check payment and then you see mobile price 6. Now select credit card. Again you see special price for mobile user is 6. So by using this code, you can show different price for mobile user and different price for desktop user. Also in code you see different tags, so you can add tags according to your requirement. You see labels and you see text for price field. Also you see text display on mobile view for mobile user, so you can add text according to your requirement. And in mobile and variable product, you can add special price for mobile users, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.